let me make a super short video on how I was able to make 9 grand in just this week doing my E8 challenge. And all I did was this right here, you also using Firestorm. So check me out. Put it on the 1 minute candle. You're gonna draw a vertical line at 9 a.m. and a vertical line at 9:30. Okay, then you're gonna draw a line that's the highest point inside those between two lines and the lowest point between those two lines. So you've got a rectangle that shows all of the candles that were made between 9 a.m. and 9:30, right? So this is what you do. So obviously if the put and the sell are in the same candle, it's a strong sell, right? We already know using Katrina's Firestorm that if you have a sell and a put close together, it's a strong sell, right? So just click on that. Look at that. That's 775 pips. That would have made you, let's see here, 2178. That would have made you about $750 in just a few minutes if you were on if you're doing 0.01. I mean, if you were doing 10 lots. So what I look for between 9 and 9:30 is these two horizontal lines, right? So what I do is at 9:30, when the New York Stock Exchange opens and the banks start going crazy, I look for a candle to close outside, above or below these two lines. So now every day this week it's done a fake out. You see right here where the candles went down and hit the support line, they went right there. And I knew, I was like, let me just wait, because normally if the candle closed outside below this line, it would be a sell. You would put the sell orders in, but that's not what happened. It did a fake out. Today, this morning, he decided to reverse right here and head north. And what did it do? I got my order right here. Not only did Firestorm tell me that there was a buy order twice, because you can see 2 layers of buy orders right here, 1 and then 2. Then not only did Firestorm tell me there was a buy order, the candle closed outside above this blue line. So I put my buy order in, because not only did Firestorm tell me that the currency is going to head up, not only did Firestorm tell me that, it closed above this blue line. This blue line and this blue line will tell you the direction that the currency is going to go for the rest of the day, right? So let's put all this into perspective. Look at this shit. Bro, this is an all-day trend. This started at 9:30. If you had taken the buy at this candle above that blue line, that's fucking money. Look at this shit. Look, took that buy and just held it all day. Do you know how much you would make right there? Now I trade with 20 lots. That would have made me about $4,000 today. $4,840 is how much that would have made me had I stayed in. But I only stayed in today enough to pass the E8 challenge. As soon as I got 8 grand, I dipped out. But if I was live, this would be a $4,800 day.